I literally was falling asleep last night and I was thinking about filming today's video. That's how much it means to me. And I think that if the last E30 video, if this is like an extension of that. It's almost like I'm driving cars that I'm interested in buying, and obviously by today's title and thumbnail, 997 GT3. I'm seeing one for the first time today. Backstory before it gets here, because he's about to be here. This is just a car that I absolutely adore. I've wanted to buy one so many times. I haven't done it. Over the last year and a half, I've become an absolute Porsche fanboy. Every other car out there is good, but nothing beats Porsche, and that's kind of just how I've really felt. And this is a car that I've always wanted, but haven't pulled the trigger on yet. So I kind of reached out on Instagram. I was like, yo, if anyone has one that would be willing to let me drive it, I hear him. Hit me up. I'd love to film with it. And he is here. Oh, and I've never met him. Oh my God, it's so good.
You didn't even like these until I got here.
Oh, it's so good.
Yes.
Oh, it's so loud.
Fuck, it's so sick.
All right, so here she is. It is a 997.2 GT3. This car doesn't need too much explaining. It is the generation underneath the 991, and you could clearly see how similar they are. And honestly, in today's video, I just wanted the opportunity to drive one. I thought it would be so cool. I have had so much fun doing that with the 355 and then Evans C30, and I was like, let's do it with the car that I'm like, I've never driven one, I've never been inside one, I don't know much about them other than the 997 like Carrera S and the turbo, which I've been so on the fence. I almost bought the 997 GT2, and I was like, the one that I really want is a GT3. I almost want a GT3 more than a GT3 RS, so we got one here. All thanks to this gentleman right here. Do you want to introduce yourself to the vlog?
I'm Lucas Lamphere from Redlands, and I'm friends with this guy on Instagram. I saw the post, and I was like, dude.
How far did you drive today?
2 hours.
Damn.
Yeah. My brother's in San Diego, though. His name's Jack, so I was like.
Which I've met before at a Cars and Coffee, and he also has, was it 930?
I know.
So really quickly, give us the rundown. Give us a story on this car.
Well, passion with Porsche started with my father, and I wanted to buy a Porsche before I was 26, because that's when he bought his first Porsche.
Okay.
I bought mine at 25.
That's cool. So you beat him. You won out.
So this was a car that was out in Palm Springs, sitting in the garage, neglected by an owner. He loved it, but he didn't drive it very much. And my buddy saw it in the garage, went straight to his house, made him an offer. Man, I'd been saving for it for about a year.
Was it even for sale?
It was not for sale.
You just, okay, that's right.
Yeah, we totally just went to him and said, I love your car, extreme passion about it, and here it is. I did the BBS's, EO7s, pretty much standard, have to.
Yep.
It's got the carbon ceramics, which was like a no doubt, had to find that car, just for the brake dust and the braking power.
And it has the center locks too, which the center locks
well, the dot twos only had center locks.
Okay. I've been shopping for dot ones, and it was an option on dot one. You could either, I believe so. I don't know. I'm not an owner yet. I can't say I know everything, but that's definitely a plus one.
Couple little things that I did: lower it, corner balance, so it's like ready for the track. Haven't done the track yet, but I will. My brother's killing me to do it. Replaced the seats with some pole positions, painted them white. They're amazing. But yeah, this car is a dream come true.
It's so good. It's clean too. This is exactly pretty much what I want mine to look like, and you have an exhaust on it as well. It's loud when you pulled in here, which
it's
I'm sure
extremely loud. It's a Sharkworks track exhaust, so that's just cat back straight pipe screamer. But on freeway, it's amazing. No drone.
Really?
It's, dude, when it didn't drone, I said that's amazing. Have to keep it.
It's so clean, dude. Wow. So before we get in it and take it for a drive and just live our dream, I literally was thinking about this car last night. When I was going to bed last night, I was like, I can't wait to see this car. I thought it'd be really cool to do a sound test. So this is a 3.6. Mine's a 4.0.
3.8.
It's this is a dot
dude,
two.
Dot 1 to 3.6.
See, that's how much I don't know about dot twos. Oh.
Yeah,
so what is it? How much more horsepower is it over the 360? No,
I want to say it's 20, 30,
something,
nothing
minimal.
Crazy. Yeah, but there's people who love the 3.6 more than the 3.8.
Why is that?
Something about the sound and the rev range is a little different. But
well, that's kind of like dot one, dot two on the 991. There's a little bit more mid-range in the dot two than the dot one, and revs out differently. So similar, it sounds.
I just fell in love with like the styling of this one. You know,
I like the dot two styling more. Like I always said, if I was to get a dot one, I would do the taillights, I would do the wing.
One thing that I fell in love with on the styling, besides the wing on this, which is a lot bigger, is in the front, it's got this inlet for the front bumper. The GT3, all of them have it, right?
The dot one doesn't?
No, the dot one does, but they kind of just like cut a hole and put a plastic thing on top.
Oh, okay.
This one was like integrated into the bumper.
Damn. And you've had it since 2021.
Yeah, January 5th, 2021.
I'm not gonna say how much you got it for, but we got it for a really good price, and man, it hurts to hear it. You wanna back up just a little bit? We'll line these things up, and we'll do a couple revs back and forth. The thing is, my rev stops at like 4,000, unfortunately, because that's just what 991s do. I can't rev really any much farther past that. But do you wanna start it up and back it up?
Yes, sir.
So loud. So loud.
It's a different tone.
I know, it's a lot different.
It's way different.
It's a lot different.
I wasn't expecting it to be that different.
Hey, Metzger motor.
Yeah, I know.
The Metzger.
Yep, we don't got that, unfortunately. I'm just antsy. I want to go drive it. That's all I want to do. What's more manly than a garage full of skylines? Well, the answer is easy. Keeping your balls trimmed up, which that's why today's video is brought to you by Manscaped. Now, I'm happy to say your boy is a multi-year user of Manscaped. To be honest, the Lawnmower 2.0 has been sitting front side on the shower, but today we're bringing you something that all of us could use. What we have here is the Performance Package 5.0 Ultra. We're gonna unbox it. We're gonna see what's provided in this box because I have a great deal for everyone for this holiday season, so listen up. In the new box, we have the brand new lawnmower. Man, the last one was great. This one's gonna be better, and it comes with the new foil. The foil allows you to get that hot shave, clean, bald. Not like kind of bald, but like straight up bald. Look at this photo of Calvin, that type of bald. I'm bald! Your sack's gonna look like that. That's a good shave. The Performance Package not only comes with that, it comes with the nose trimmer. Oh! Keep it nice and trimmed up. Ball deodorant. You got some stanky balls? Over there? Right here, dude. You in the back? When you shave your face, you treat it like baby's skin and you put on all the aftershave. Well, downstairs is no different. Additionally, in the package, you get a carrying case so that when you go on trips, there's no excuse to be scruffy. Something that I'm very excited about that we are new to the lineup. Boxer 2.0. Silk. This kit belongs under the tree this holiday season. If you head over to manscaped.com/TJHunt, or you can just use code TJHunt, you can get 20% off plus free international shipping. Use code TJHunt or click the links down below. Manscaped. I'm a real customer, multi-year. We love your new products. Keep keeping us clean. Now let's get back to today's video.
Have fun.
Damn, dude, it feels so good. Okay, well, I have a rule that I go by, and it's I don't drive cars I don't intend to buy. It's kind of something I do because I get myself in trouble and I put myself in situations like this, and it feels so homey and comfortable, and it feels like familiar. Maybe it's because I drive the other one all the time. So, here we go. Oh, even just reversing feels and sounds epic. There's no electronic buttons to change anything. It's raw. In my opinion, from all the reviews and all the videos and everything that I've watched, this is as raw as it gets. Oh, man. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, it feels so good. I'm going 10 miles per hour and it feels so good. No! No! Oh, no! Oh my God! What the fuck? I don't have the words to tell you how good this car feels. Holy shit. I went to 20 miles per hour and shifted into second gear, and it was like sex. Dropping that into second? Oh! Oh, there's a cop. There's a cop. This car is way too loud to drive by this cop. And this is not my car, but it should be. Oh my God. You know when you drive by a cop and you start driving like you drive when you're taking a driver's license test? That's me right now. Sorry, officer, I swear. gonna downshift to third, give a little blip. Oh, what? The cop's gonna go the other way. Let's let the cop go the other way. And he's gone. That's fast! What? This car touches my soul in a way I've never been touched before. I don't know if I've ever, okay, I was gonna say I've never driven a manual Porsche, but I have driven the manual 997 Carrera S at Tommy's shop. The clutch feels so good. The engagement feels so good. Much more mid-range. It feels like, compared to my 991, it feels like supercharged or something. The delivery feels more like it wants to go. Does that make sense? I don't think it does. Why does it? I know it's not faster, but it feels like it is. Maybe it's just, I gotta ask if it's tuned or something. It feels like it had, he told me that it had a bad low range with the exhaust, but it feels like it has a great low range. Let's go! Yeah, it's good. It's good. It has the perfect amount of power. It has the right sound. It drives like a dream. You could definitely tell that the 997 to 991 chassis and suspension geometry like definitely has a big difference. It has the traditional like GT3 RS, GT3, the faster you go, the lighter the suspension feels type of vibe. It feels very familiar. My RS drives the same way. Obviously the suspension isn't as good as the 991, but what the heck? I will go to jail in this car.
TJ for the bank account.
Damn. It smells like my RS.
Yeah, I was
They're the stinkiest cars in the world. I feel like I've never had such a lack of words before.
Thank you. I'm buying one. I don't know when.
Yeah.
It is so good.
I told you, you're screwed today.
It feels faster. That's what's really strange.
Well,
it's like when you go
smaller.
in like second gear, like every gear, there's a lot more low end than I feel on that car. Like it feels as if it's supercharged. I know it's not, but like driving that every day, I know exactly how that feels. I know what every mid-range feels like. I know what every gear feels like. This just feels faster. I don't know if it's because it's lighter and it's louder and it is more raw, like you said, and you have a different sense, but wow. I was tripping out. It was so damn good.
Welcome, TJ, to the 997.
Dude,
gang, baby.
it's so good. I don't know if I could drive that car every day and not have a bunch of tickets. I can drive this and feel like I'm like cool, calm, and collected, but when I'm driving that, I am like have to like be an asshole. Like it's so.
I lived in Orange County for a little while when I first bought this. I was so nervous to drive it everywhere because how you're describing how we would drive it.
You just go. You just like, and the gearbox.
You happen to slam on the brakes or anything, or no?
I mean, I wasn't like abusing it, but the brakes are phenomenal. The everything.
997.
Dude, wow. It hits so hard. It hits so hard. It is so incredibly good. It's like the car reviews are back. I really enjoy driving that car. I can't say enough good things about it. The past couple videos were all filmed over the past week and a half because I've been gone. Right now when you're watching this, I'm not even home. I've been on a trip. So I pre-filmed a lot of these videos, and this was a really cool way that I was able to get some really fun stuff while film multiple videos in one day. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys are having a happy holiday. Right now, because I'm gone, Vlogmas is still happening, and I'm having all of my friends do Vlogmas for me. Everyone has a celebrity Vlogmas day. So if you want to see that, probably be pretty funny to watch. Go to TJ Hunt Clips. You can watch it all live because we're daily uploading on that channel. I'll see you boys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out, and keep moving forward.